Crochet Summer Vest Tutorial. Stylish DIY for warm weather. Part.
For this tutorial we will need yarn, 4mm hook we are using today for this yarn, scissors and yarning needle. Let's make this gorgeous vest. It will be nice and summery. I've already chosen my yarn, and it is an anti-pilling acrylic yarn. It is multicolor, as you can see, and I like the way how they just blend and then continue changing the colors. I have already decided what pattern I'm going to have, and this is the pattern which we will repeat. I liked it, so I hope that you will like it too. Depending how long you want your vest to be, you're going to do the foundational chain. For this vest I've done 56 chains and then start working into them. So as I said, this is going to be the pattern which will repeat, and I will do one set of a pattern and then I'll meet you at the end. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, I believe there are 17 rows, but we will go through them row by row until we have to repeat the pattern again. So you can see what I'm doing. If you don't know how to crochet, we have how to crochet for beginners tutorial. You can go and just familiarize yourself with the most common stitches, and here it's not a difficult pattern, so you'll be okay to do it even if you are a beginner, but you still need to know how to crochet. Let's do it. So you can go ahead and do the chain foundation. Depending how long your vest needs to be. And when you do the foundation chain, you get to there, which we're here at the moment. So you will use, I'm chaining 2 at the moment, but you will use the last 2 chains, and then you'll go in the 3rd stitch from the crochet hook to start going down and create double crochet. So now we are going to do double crochet in each chain. Don't miss anything, just work in each chain. If you use different colors yarn, you will have to change them depending when you want them to be changed. It makes it easier with this colorful yarn because it just changes the colors itself. But today I will not show you how to change a new color as we are using this yarn. and I will meet you at the end. Keep doing double crochet. Okay, so we finished this row now. We're going to chain 2 and turn. So the next one we will do like double crochet increase, chain 1, double crochet increase in the next one, double crochet again, chain 1, and we'll just keep repeating this. This is as it's the end of it, but then we'll do double crochet increase, double crochet, and then we repeat this. I'll do a few of them and then we'll speed up. So we'll do here 2, this is as a second, chain, and we skip 1, and we come here, we do double crochet, then in the next one we do double crochet increase, and the next one is just 1 double crochet. And then chain 1, skip 1, and then we repeat double crochet increase, and double crochet. So we will repeat this till the end of the row, and we'll speed up from now on. So now we'll do single crochet in each stitch, kind of in each stitch. As we have made an increase here, what we'll do 1, 2, 3, and we will skip the 4th one and we'll go straight into the chain 1, and again 1 single, 2, 3, and we'll skip this 4th and just go in here so it doesn't increase, and we just need to do a 1 less, so the increase we made to have a little bit different shape. Now we can go back to the normal stitch. We'll speed up now until we get to the end of the row. So we'll chain 2 and then turn. So now we are starting the wave stitch. So we will we count this one as 1, then we will go double crochet, we will do 2 double crochet. You can just see what I've done here. Yeah, we'll do 2 double crochet. This will be half double crochet and a single crochet. So it will be double crochet, another double crochet. Now we'll do half double crochet, single crochet and single crochet. So now we'll start going up. So the pattern will be single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. Let me just see, I think this is a treble one. Single, so these are 2 single, half double crochet, double crochet and treble crochet 3, and then going back down. Now it's half double, double, treble. And we do 3 of them. And now we're going down, double, half double, single. And now we're going to repeat it. Single crochet, half double, double, treble 3 times, going back to double, half double crochet and single. And we keep this till the end, and then I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so now we will chain 2 and turn. So for this round, this row, we need to aim the treble crochet stitch to be in the valley, if you want to say it, and the single to be here on the top. So if we say that this will be the 2 single, half double, double, 1, 2, 3, treble needs to be here. So this will be double, half double, single. Let's see, if we do single crochet, half double, double, treble ones. Double, half double, single, single, half double, double, and 3 trebles. Now we need to decrease. We'll start, not decrease, but I mean to, now it's the double crochet, half double, and single. I think we're roughly doing it on the wave, and now we continue till the end. So just remember, where the lowest point is, we need to do the treble, where the trebles from the previous row is, we need to do the single. I'll meet you at the end.